Hey there, welcome back. Today I will be showing you the basic steps on how to do your dip nails if you're still a beginner. So first, I will prep my nails. We will start with cleaning the cuticle area. I will be using this cuticle remover and this cuticle pusher. Put a generous amount of cuticle remover to the cuticle area to soften all the dry skin. And then take your cuticle pusher to push back your cuticles and scrape all the dead skin. Make sure to wipe your cuticle pusher and brush your nails with this manicure stiff brush. Now, I'll take my cuticle nippers to trim down my cuticles. If you don't know how to use a nipper, please just skip this process. It is better to be safe than cut your own skin. This step really takes a lot of practice, and trust me, I already did cut myself a lot of times before I learned to use this properly. This is how it looks like after cleaning. Now, I'll take my buffing block to remove the shine of my nails. You may also use a nail file, but I prefer a buffing block since it is more gentle to my natural nails. Go ahead and apply your bond. This is what's going to dehydrate the nails and remove all the moisture, so all the products will adhere to our nails properly. I would like to start with applying clear dip powder and start building my apex. For the first layer, I will apply a thin strip of dip base in just the center of my nail and dip it to the powder. Dust off all the excess powder before doing the next layers. Make sure to also clean your cuticles with a toothpick, so it will be a lot easier to file it in that area later on. Moving on to my solid color, this one is Venus. It is part of Triple D's Valentines collection. I will be applying this color to my pinky, pointer, and thumb. Again, I am starting with a thin strip in the center of my nail and slowly building the color, so that this way I will not have a super bulky nail shape afterwards. And to my next color, I will be using Triple D's Queen of Hearts. This is also part of their Valentine's collection. This is going to be my accent nail for my middle and ring finger. For this part, I am just applying the dip base to the empty areas that I want to add more hearts. This is after putting those extra hearts and foils. Now, I am going to apply clear dip powder on top of my colors. This will serve as a protective layer when I start filing and shaping later. dust off all the excess powders, and now I will be using this activator. This is what's going to harden our nails before we start filing and shaping. If it's already dry and now you can hear this sound when you tap your nails, it means it's ready for filing. Using Triple D's 100-180 hand file, I am just going to file and shape my nails, starting off with the sides and sculpting it to the shape that I want. Make sure to file also the surface of your nails. This is the importance of the clear powder that I applied a while ago. It protects the color underneath so I won't remove the color itself while filing. And for the nails that has chunky glitters on it, gently file the surface so you won't remove those glitters and shapes. I also like to use this thin metal file to file the sides and your cuticle area. Also buff your nails after filing so it will remove the marks and scratches that you get from filing. This is going to smoothen the nails. And this is how it looks like after filing, shaping, and buffing. I will just take this stiff brush and go ahead brush off all the extra dust before we apply the second coat of activator. I wiped the surface of my nails with paper towel before applying my top coat. Make sure to wipe the brush off the top coat every after application so that the bristles of your brush won't harden. I just added these small hearts to my red fingers to add more accent. I will just apply my cuticle oil and I am almost done. And this is the outcome. This is the shortest nails that I have ever created for myself. They are so cute and I love the outcome. It's really perfect for the Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again on my next videos. Bye for now!